Hi, I'm Haley, and today I'm going to be making my absolute favorite chocolate chip cookie cake recipe. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is beat my butter. I have 3/4 cup of soft, unsalted butter, and I'm just going to put that in my mixer, and I'm going to beat it. Okay, and once the butter is really smooth, it should be like mayonnaise consistency, I guess. I'm gonna add 1 cup of packed light brown sugar. Whoa, ooh, okay. And I'm gonna beat it in. Now I'm gonna add 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. Okay. And 2 1/4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. That's a bad idea. And I'm gonna mix it all in. Make sure you scrape down the bottom and the sides of your bowl to make sure it's all getting mixed in. Okay, that's all done mixing. Now I'm gonna come over here to a separate bowl and combine 2 cups of flour with 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Oh. There we go. And 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Make sure you don't overmeasure your salt. We don't want salty cake. It's okay. Get the kitchen a little messy. It's okay. And once your dry ingredients are really well combined, I'm gonna add them a little bit at a time into the stand mixer with my wet ingredients. Just take like some of that. Okay, I finished mixing in all my flour and we're almost done. Now I'm gonna mix in about 1 1/4 cups of chocolate chips. If you have a little extra chocolate, who's gonna notice? Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Okay, this looks really good, and now it's time to bake it. Okay, so I'm going to be baking my cookie cake in a 9-inch cake pan, and I already greased it. That's very important to make sure and grease it, that way it comes out. And I'm just going to pour it all in there. It's thick. This is perfect, it's just how you want it. Now, you gotta press it into the pan very evenly. Try to get it as even as possible. Okay, I'm done spreading it out. Look at that. I'm so excited. This is one of my favorite desserts. Now I'm gonna bake it in my oven. It's preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. Everybody's ovens are different, but just check it after 15 minutes. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes, and it's very brown around the edges. But I'm gonna stick a toothpick in the middle. Oh, I hit chocolate, okay. Flipping it over. There we go. It almost looks not done because it's still very gooey, but the toothpick came out clean. So I'm not gonna bake it anymore. We're just gonna let it cool, and it's gonna keep baking, and it's gonna get a little harder in the middle. That way it's not so mushy while it's cooling down. And you can also run a knife around the edges of the pan to make sure it's not sticking, and mine is not, so that's good. Now I'm just gonna wait for it to cool. Okay, my cookie cake is completely cooled. Now I'm gonna take this thing, I'm not actually sure what it's called, but you can just use a plate and put it on top, and then hold the handles and flip it over, and it should come out. There we go. Perfect. And now I'm gonna take this other plate thingy and flip it again. That way it's facing right side up. That's the pretty side of the cake. And it is all done. You can leave it like this, or you can frost it, which is what I'm going to do. But first, I'm gonna stick this in the fridge for a little while to make sure it's completely cooled down before we put the frosting on. Otherwise, the frosting would just melt. And we don't want that. Okay, my cookie cake is all cooled down. Now I'm going to frost it. I'm just going to use a homemade vanilla frosting. And since this is for somebody's birthday, I'm gonna write happy birthday. Make sure that you use the smallest piping tip you have to pipe happy birthday, or whatever you want to say if you say something, because otherwise it would not fit. I made that mistake, so I had to clean it up and start again. And if you want, if you have leftover frosting, you can also pipe these little boop, those little things on the outside. They're so cute. Will the special guest please come up? Happy birthday, Summer. Do you like the cake?
Yes, I love it.
Okay, do you want to try it?
Yes.
Sam, do you want some? You want some, Tech Crew?
Yes, Tech Crew wants some. Oh yeah, we're supposed to sing. Ready? Go.
What?
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Summer. Happy birthday to you.
Woohoo! Awesome. Okay, now you gotta try it and see how much.
We didn't put candles on it yet because we're having her actual birthday later. But she gets to try it early because she's the birthday girl.
Lots of chocolate, lots of sugar. This is the best cake, like the best cookie cake if you're looking for one. Like, you could just like keep on eating this and not get sick of it.
I bet you would get sick eventually.
Well, eventually, but I would like eat half of this cake.
You know, I hate to do this to you on your birthday, but I feel really tall today.
Excuse me? Why don't I get some high heels?
Well, thank you so much for baking with me today. Let me know if you ever make a cookie cake at home, and I'll see you next time on You're Stirring It Wrong. Okay, so I'm going to be baking my cookie cake in a 9-inch cake pan. Forgot the name.
Wow, this just crazy stranger is automatically here for the birthday. Who is this person?
Summer?
This is her first time on your channel, Haley.
Yep. Oh, did I not say her name?
Nope.